Oh, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog. Yes, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog. I don't wanna hear all of your worries about the cat. I'm pretty sure that he always used to look like that. Just
I was sad, so I got a dog. When I saw how happy it made me, I got my dog a dog. Then I saw how my dog was happy that I got her a dog, so I got my dog's dog a dog.
I have a vagina. Only time his bitch wanna listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy? This what you want? Huh? Here.
My happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend.
Get healers, they said. It will be fun, they said.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ow, ow, ow. Show them, girl, yeah. Boom, boom, bow, bow, boom, 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 bow, 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 boom, boom, bow, 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 boom, boom.
Okay, people, can we chill? Okay.
What the fuck, Rain?
Step up.
I don't think so. Maybe I did. I'm sorry.
Mom and I bumped into a man walking towards us on our walk today. He said, "That's one scary-looking dog. Maybe you should hold on to him tighter." My mom said maybe you should work on not being such a big pussy. Moral of the story, don't mess with a dog, Martha.